Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to stop application from using our photos in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So to revoke our permissions to our photos, we have to go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, next Privacy submenu here, and we have Privacy Manager. And here we have our list of available permissions, and right now 6 out of 24 installed applications can use our photos, and we don't want to. So let's say we don't want Mr. Smart Switch to have access to our photos. Don't allow, yes, do not allow anyway. And now, as you can see, our application disappeared from our allowed list. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.